to my channel. My name is Fatmah and this is my sister. Today we have our friends joining to do the experiment.
My name is Anaya.
My name is Maliha and they both are sisters just like us. So today we are going to do an experiment that is called Turmeric is a natural indicator. For this purpose we need
cotton buds, vinegar, detergent, turmeric, and glass bowls, and water, and water. And
Glass
plain
paper. Glass and
spoon.
Glass and bowl. So we have to add the turmeric in the bowl. Just a little bit. Put the whole. And now she's going to put water. Little bit, not so much. We're gonna salt the piece of glue inside the turmeric. Let's do so. Okay, let's just do. Oh my goodness, this one my mouth is broke.
So guys, we will pour some detergent with water.
Now we will put some vinegar inside the bowl. Guys, so now we are going to use our cotton buds. Guys, so now we are going to add our cotton buds in the surf and then we're going to sketch. Look, it's working. It's looking just like ink. It's so cool, guys. Wow. Don't erase, we can use the vinegar. It's like an eraser ink. It's so cool. It's even erasing the turmeric. Wow. I thought it would just use this, but actually it's erasing the turmeric too. Guys, as you see, when we add detergent on the turmeric, it turns into a dark red color.
It is a natural indicator.
And there's acid added in it. Guys, this is how turmeric acts as a natural indicator. Bye guys, if you guys want to watch more videos every Saturday we're going to make a new video. Have a nice day, stay sweet.